So once you've been using your LifeSaver product for a while, we do recommend that you periodically clean it. This will help with the flow rate of the product and just generally to keep it in good condition. It will also help if you're going to put the product into storage for a while. It's always best practice to give it a good clean before you store the product. So to clean your Wayfarer, we need to remove the ultrafiltration cartridge and the carbon filter. Use the removal tool to do that. Take the removal tool off the filter and set the filter down with the clean face pointing up. We're also going to want to remove the pre-filter from the scavenger in hose. Just pull that off the tube and then the pre-filter basket inside drops out. Remove the carbon from the Wayfarer by turning it upside down. And at this point we want to remove the rubber tyre from around the outside. This is reused when you refit a new carbon, or you can reuse this carbon. So now it's time to get everything in the sink and give it a good clean. We'll start with the filter. We want to rinse off any of the debris. You need to wash off any visible dirt on the white straws you can see under the grill. Keep rinsing until the water runs clear. Use a cloth to remove any dirt from the plastic components. Then you can set your filter down and allow it to drain. At this point you can wash all the other components as well. It's a good idea to give the outer shell of the Wayfarer a good rinse too. Make sure all dirt is removed from it. Once all the components have drained, we can reassemble it without the carbon filter in and pump some sterilising solution through. So take your filter, reinsert it back into the outer housing and use the tool to clip the filter back in place. Reassemble the pre-filter for the scavenger in hose. And now we're ready to put sterilising solution through the Wayfarer. Now you've disassembled your LifeSaver product, it's time to prepare some sterilising solution. The easiest way to do this is to run around 3 litres of water into a basin and then add your chlorine tablets. This particular brand is 1 chlorine tablet per litre of water, so I'll be adding 3 tablets. But please check your instructions on your chlorine tablets as they vary between all manufacturers. So now with your Wayfarer cleaned and reassembled, it's time to pump some sterilising solution through it. Take your scavenger in hose and drop that into the sterilising solution, making sure it's fully submerged. Direct the out hose down to a drain and now pump about 2 litres of fluid through the Wayfarer. Once you've pumped around 2 litres through, leave it for 30 minutes. Now the Wayfarer has been soaking for about 30 minutes, it's time to get rid of the sterilising solution. And we're now going to flush the filter through with clean water just to remove any of the excess sterilising solution. So now pump around 1 litre of fresh clean water through. This will eliminate the taste of sterilising solution next time you go to use your filter. At this point you can disconnect your hoses and pack them away back into your accessory bag. And you can refit the dust cap which was kept underneath the pump handle. Before your next use, you may want to refit an activated carbon disc, but your LifeSaver Wayfarer is now ready to be used again or stored away for a while.